Hi, exams on the way. Now, problem. So here I'm sharing few tips that will help you to cope up during this time when we have to prepare for all the subjects in a limited amount of days or weeks or months. First tip, always start early. The biggest hurdle or challenge students face is the anxiety and stress during the exam time. Now, if we start early, we can very well manage and handle these situations of getting anxious and getting stressed. Second tip, make a plan. Having a revision plan is a very good idea, because if you have scheduled your time and your revision slots for a subject, it will help you to give equal amounts of time and attention to all the subjects that has to be done before you go for your exams. Next tip for rocking your exams. Always make notes. Studies have shown us that the retaining capacity of a brain increases when we write down or pen down something. So my suggestion to all the students will be, if you think something is important and it's going to come or to be asked in exams, please write it down neatly, and I'm sure you will remember it for a longer time. While preparing for exams, I know how we feel, but always stay motivated and think positive. Whenever you think that your motivation is sinking a bit low, please close your eyes and think what you want to really achieve and do in your life. Remember, the exams are never constructed for superheroes. It's for the students like you.